Burger King, eh? The home of the Whopper, the place where flame-grilled goodness is supposed to reign supreme. But is everything as it seems? They've been flogging those flame-grilled patties for years, haven't they? The sizzle, the smoke, the promise of a perfect burger. It's all part of the allure, luring you in with their bold claims and those bloody crowns. You know the ones, those paper crowns that make you feel like royalty for a fleeting moment. But let me tell you something. Behind those flashy ads and limited-time offers, there's a dirty little secret. A secret that employees are more than willing to spill if you listen closely. Some of the food? Downright criminal it is. We're talking about items that should never see the light of day, let alone your stomach. Employees themselves are blowing the whistle on what's worth your hard-earned cash and what's destined for the bin. These are the folks on the front lines, the ones who see it all. We're talking about low-grade ingredients, shoddy prep, and pricing strategies designed to bleed your wallet dry. It's a minefield out there, and not everything on the menu is a safe bet. If you've ever left a Burger King feeling like you've been mugged, this one's for you. You know that sinking feeling when you realize your meal was a total waste? Yeah, we've all been there. We're diving deep into the 7 items employees themselves say to avoid. These are the items that make even the staff cringe, and trust me, number 1, well, let's just say it barely qualifies as food. It's the kind of thing that makes you question your life choices. So, stick around, yeah? Consider this your crash course in dodging culinary disasters. We're here to help you navigate the treacherous waters of fast food dining. First up, let's talk about the salads. You might think you're making a healthy choice, but employees warn that these are often anything but fresh. Wilted lettuce, soggy croutons, and dressing that's been sitting out for who knows how long. It's a gamble every time, and more often than not, you lose. If you're looking for a fresh, crisp salad, you might want to look elsewhere. Next, the chicken sandwiches. They might look tempting in the ads, but employees say they're often overcooked, dry, and lacking in flavor. Not exactly the mouth-watering experience you were hoping for. And let's not forget the fish sandwich. If you're thinking of going for something a bit different, think again. Employees warn that the fish is often old and has a less than pleasant smell. It's one of those items that sounds good in theory but falls flat in execution. You're better off steering clear. Breakfast items are another area of concern. Those breakfast sandwiches might look good on the menu, but employees say they're often thrown together in a hurry, resulting in a less than stellar start to your day. If you're looking for a satisfying breakfast, you might want to consider other options. And then there are the fries. They might be a staple, but employees warn that they're often soggy and under-seasoned. Not exactly the crispy golden perfection you were hoping for. If you're a fry lover, this can be a major letdown. You deserve better. Desserts are another area where you might want to tread carefully. Those tempting treats can often be a letdown, with employees warning that they're not always as fresh as they should be. If you've got a sweet tooth, you might want to satisfy it elsewhere. Finally, let's talk about the drinks. Employees warn that the drink stations are often poorly maintained, leading to less than ideal beverage experiences. Flat soda, anyone? It's the little things that can make or break a meal, and a bad drink can really put a damper on things. So there you have it, folks. 7 items to avoid at Burger King, straight from the employees who know best. Consider yourself warned. Next time you're craving fast food, you'll be better prepared to make a choice that won't leave you feeling disappointed. Happy eating! Chicken fries, eh? They sound like a dream, don't they? Crispy, golden brown, perfect for dipping. But here's the kicker. Employees are calling them out. See those chicken fries? They've got a nasty habit of sitting under heat lamps for hours on end. Drying out, turning rubbery, you wouldn't believe it. And for what? You're paying a premium for something that tastes like it's been reheated a dozen times. Listen to me. You want chicken? Go for the nuggets. At least you're getting your money's worth. Oh, the stacker. Looks impressive in the adverts, doesn't it? A towering inferno of meat and cheese. But let me tell you, the reality is far from appetizing. Employees are saying these things are a nightmare to assemble and even worse to eat. They fall apart, the cheese isn't melted properly, it's a disaster. My advice? Ditch the stacker and head straight for the value menu. Grab yourself a double cheeseburger and customize it to your liking. You'll thank me later. A fish sandwich should be a thing of beauty, right? Flaky, flavorful, a delight to the senses. But at Burger King? Not so much. Employees are saying the fish patties are subpar, often overcooked and rubbery. You're better off heading to the supermarket, grabbing some fresh fish and making your own. Or, find a decent fish and chips shop. Anything but this travesty. Mozzarella sticks, a game of chance. Mozzarella sticks, they're a classic, aren't they? Gooey, cheesy, the perfect side dish. But at Burger King, it's a gamble. Employees are saying the mozzarella sticks are wildly inconsistent. One minute they're overfried and burnt, the next they're undercooked and cold in the middle. It's like playing Russian roulette with your taste buds. Do yourself a favor, stick to the cheeseburger. At least you know what you're getting. Whopper Jr. The reign is over. The Whopper Jr. It used to be a thing, didn't it? A smaller version of the king, fit for a prince. But those days are long gone. Employees are saying the Whopper Jr. has shrunk in size and quality. The patties are thinner, the buns are drier, it's a shadow of its former self. My advice? Build your own burger from the value menu. You'll get more bang for your buck and a tastier meal to boot. Frozen drinks, a chemical cocktail. Listen, I get it. It's hot, you're thirsty. A frozen drink sounds like the perfect solution. But at Burger King, you're better off sticking with water. Employees are saying the machines used to make these drinks are rarely cleaned properly. The result? A slushy, chemical-tasting mess that's more likely to give you a stomachache than quench your thirst. Do yourself a favor, grab a bottle of water or a fountain soda. Your taste buds will thank you. Salads, a wilted waste of money. Salads, eh? The supposed healthy option. The go-to choice for those trying to make a healthier decision amidst the fast food frenzy. The beacon of hope in a sea of greasy burgers and fries. It's the item on the menu that promises a break from the calorie-laden chaos. But at Burger King, don't kid yourself. The reality is often far from the glossy pictures on the menu. Employees are saying the salads are often made with wilted lettuce, stale toppings, and ingredients that have seen better days. Imagine biting into a salad expecting crisp, fresh greens, only to be met with limp, lifeless leaves. And let's not forget the dressings. They often taste like they've been sitting out for days, losing their flavor and freshness. It's a far cry from the vibrant, zesty dressings you might expect. You're better off going to the grocery store, buying some fresh ingredients, and taking matters into your own hands. Making your own salad at home ensures that you have control over every ingredient. You can choose the freshest vegetables, the ripest avocados, and the crunchiest croutons. At least then you know it's going to be fresh and flavorful. Plus, you can customize it to your liking, adding your favorite toppings and dressings. It's a win-win situation. So next time you're tempted by the so-called healthy options at a fast food joint, remember, a little effort at home can go a long way. Your taste buds and your wallet will thank you. Not only will you save money, but you'll also enjoy a meal that's genuinely good for you. Fresh, flavorful, and made with love. And who knows? You might even inspire others to ditch the fast food salads and join you in making healthier, tastier choices at home. So there you have it. We've explored the ins and outs of the Burger King menu, highlighting the items that are best avoided if you're looking to keep your wallet and waistline in check. But remember, it's not just about what you shouldn't eat. It's also about making smarter choices. The 7 deadly sins of the Burger King menu. These are the items that are not only bad for your health, but also for your budget. From the calorie-laden triple Whopper to the overpriced chicken fries, these menu items can quickly add up, both in cost and in calories. Avoid these dishes like the plague, and you might just escape with your wallet and your dignity intact. Remember, knowledge is power. By knowing what to avoid, you can make better choices that won't leave you feeling guilty or broke. Opt for the value menu items or look for deals and coupons that can help you save even more. And now you've got the inside scoop on what's really going on behind those fast food counters. From the way food is prepared to the ingredients used, being informed can help you make healthier and more cost-effective choices. Don't be swayed by flashy advertisements or limited-time offers that promise more than they deliver. Don't be afraid to speak up, to demand better. If you have concerns about the quality or freshness of your food, let the staff know. Your feedback can lead to improvements that benefit everyone. After all, you're the customer, and you deserve to get what you pay for. You deserve a meal that's worth your hard-earned cash. Fast food doesn't have to mean compromising on quality or taste. With a little bit of knowledge and some smart choices, you can enjoy a satisfying meal without feeling like you've been taken for a ride. And hey, if you've got any horror stories of your own, share them in the comments below. Whether it's a disappointing meal or a surprising discovery, your experiences can help others make better choices. Plus, it's always good to know you're not alone in your quest for frugal fast food. Let's expose these culinary crimes together. By sharing our stories and tips, we can create a community of informed consumers who demand better from their fast food experiences. Together, we can make a difference and push for higher standards in the industry. Until next time, stay frugal, my friends. Keep these tips in mind the next time you find yourself at a fast food joint. And remember that a little bit of knowledge can go a long way in helping you make smarter, more cost-effective choices. Happy eating!